Not everyone has access to traditional rifles, and regulations around them can be strict. Airguns, on the other hand, are often less restricted, and today's models are far more powerful than many people think. Modern big-bore air rifles can generate serious energy and are capable of taking down hogs with proper shot placement. If you've ever doubted the capability of air rifles, this might change your perspective. In this video, we break down some of the best and powerful options available for you. Number 20. Umarex 850 M2. This is basically a bolt-action, CO2 powered repeating air rifle that gives you smooth, consistent shooting without the recoil. It runs off a single 88-gram CO2 cartridge and gives you around 200 shots or more per fill with low-effort cycling. It comes with a synthetic ambidextrous stock, fiber optic open sights, Picatinny rails for accessories, and a threaded muzzle if you want to add a moderator. The two-stage adjustable trigger and decent ergonomics make it easy to shoot all day, and if you get a pro kit, it often comes with a scope, bipod, and silencer to make it ready right out of the box. Number 19. Norica Viriatus BP 2.0. It's a light and easy to handle airgun that can keep your shots consistent and accurate. You're getting up to 22 foot-pounds in 177 caliber, 33 foot-pounds in 22 caliber, and 44 foot-pounds in 25 caliber, so it's strong enough for both target work and hunting. The partially shrouded Lothar Walther choked barrel helps with accuracy, and the forward side lever feels smooth and simple to use. The two-stage trigger is adjustable for a clean break. It also has a built-in regulator, external power adjuster, pressure gauge, protected fill port, and a comfortable ambidextrous Beechwood bullpup stock. Number 18. Haston Mod Vortex QE. It's pretty common to see experienced airgun shooters using the Hatson 135 QE, and plenty of them have taken down groundhogs with it without any trouble. This break barrel rifle delivers a serious punch, producing over 30 foot-pounds of energy. It comes with a two-stage adjustable Quattro trigger that feels crisp and smooth, an adjustable Monte Carlo cheek piece, and a quiet energy-shrouded barrel to help reduce noise. On the downside, it's quite heavy and requires significant cocking effort. Number 17. Evanix Rex. Often nicknamed the mini shotgun, this is a single-shot big-bore air rifle from South Korea, and it looks like a tank but still manages to stay light at around 7.2 pounds. It comes with a 21.5-inch barrel that can launch 357 pellets at roughly 900 to 950 feet per second, producing over 200 foot-pounds of energy. It runs on a direct flow valve without a regulator, so the first few shots hit the hardest, with power dropping off after about 3 or 4 rounds. There's no magazine, so each round is loaded by hand, which naturally makes you slow down and focus on every shot. It's especially suited for close-range hunting with heavy slugs or air bolts. Number 16. Western Airgun Sidewinder. It comes with a large 480 cubic centimeter air tank that fills to 4,300 pounds per square inch and can generate over 100 foot-pounds of energy in 30 caliber, making it strong enough for coyotes or wild hogs out to about 80 to 100 yards. The rotary magazine holds up to 19 rounds in 22 caliber or 13 rounds in 30 caliber. It features a very responsive trigger, plenty of rail space for accessories, and an adjustable stock. The downside is that semi-auto shooting uses air quickly, so you'll be refilling more often. Number 15. Umarex Primex. If you're looking for a budget-friendly break barrel gas piston pellet rifle that works for small game, the Umarex Primex is a solid pick. In 177 caliber, it can reach up to 1,200 FPS with alloy pellets and around 1,000 FPS with lead pellets, giving you enough power for pest control, small game hunting, and backyard plinking. The gas piston system runs smoother than a traditional spring, with less noise and recoil. It can also stay cocked longer without spring fatigue, so performance won't fade over time. Number 14. Snowpeak M50. This is a Chinese-made PCP air rifle that's popular for mixing solid performance with a budget-friendly price. It has a long barrel and a 250 cubic centimeter air tank filled to 3,000 pounds per square inch, giving you around 40 to 50 shots per fill. In 22 caliber, it can reach close to 1,000 feet per second, while the 25 caliber version runs around 870 feet per second, producing roughly 35 to 45 foot-pounds of energy. It has a responsive trigger, a classic style stock, and a rail for mounting a scope. The finish is not perfect, and some plastic parts feel a bit basic, but it's a great entry point into PCP air rifles. Number 13. Air Max Crate 22. This PCP rifle comes with a 300 cubic centimeters carbon fiber air cylinder filled to 300 bar, and it sends 22 caliber pellets flying over 950 feet per second, while 25 grain pellets push past 900 feet per second, producing around 45 to 55 foot-pounds of energy. It features a fully adjustable competition grade trigger, so you can fine-tune the pull weight and travel exactly how you like it. You also get a folding composite stock, a super smooth side lever, a full Picatinny rail for optics, and an external regulator for dialing and performance. Number 12. Winchester Big Bore Air Rifle. This big bore air rifle comes in .45 caliber, distributed by Gammo, and let me tell you, it is a powerful big bore PCP with classic rifle look. It offers 5 shots per fill and delivers around 199 foot-pounds of muzzle energy, making it capable of taking down hogs or even deer with the right shot placement. The design is inspired by traditional Winchester centerfire rifles, giving it that timeless hunting style. It features a beechwood stock with traditional checkering on the grip for a secure, stable hold. Number 11. Snow Peak PR900 Gen 3. It runs a 150 cubic centimeters air cylinder, so you get a decent number of shots before topping it up. In 4.5 millimeters, it'll do over 900 FPS under normal pressure. Step up to 5.5 millimeters or 6.35 millimeters, and you can see speeds close to 1,000 frames per second, depending on your setup. You've got the option of a polymer stock for something tough and weather resistant, or a wood stock if you like that classic feel. There's a manual safety, a 485 millimeter barrel for consistent performance, and it's balanced and manageable. Iron sights are optional if that's your style. Number 10. RTI Prophet 2 Performance. The RTI Prophet 2 Performance comes out of Slovenia, and even though it's a small country, their airgun engineering is seriously impressive. This model is a big step up from the first generation, especially when it comes to pressure and overall power. It features a 500 cubic centimeter carbon fiber air tank filled to 300 bar, or about 4,350 pounds per square inch. In .30 caliber, it can push pellets up to around 920 feet per second, producing well over 100 foot-pounds of energy. That's more than enough for small hogs, coyotes, or similar targets out to roughly 80 to 100 yards. The side lever is extremely smooth, making follow-up shots quick and easy. Number 9. Sig Sauer MPX Air. The CO2-powered Sig Sauer MPX Air is modeled after the real steel MPX short-stroke platform, so it keeps the same weight and familiar controls. It gives you that authentic feel, but in an airgun version. It runs on a 30-round pellet belt magazine and shoots semi-auto as fast as you can pull the trigger. With the HPA setup, you can get up to 250 shots per fill. It pushes pellets at around 600 FPS and can group under 1 inch at 30 yards. The CO2-powered Sig Sauer MPX Air is modeled after the real steel MPX short-stroke platform, so it keeps the same weight, balance, and familiar controls. Number 8. FX Impact M3 PCP Air Rifle. The FX Impact M3 Sniper is one of the standout options in the FX Impact lineup. The Sniper version comes with a long 27.55-inch barrel, giving you more weight up front and a higher shot count, around 105 shots per fill compared to roughly 85 on the standard model. It's built around serious adjustability. You get dual adjustable AMP regulators, external micro and macro hammer spring tension controls, plus external valve adjustment. That means you can fine-tune power and performance exactly how you want it. Number 7. Umarex Zelos. Its 26-inch barrel can push 22 pellets up to about 950 feet per second and 25 grain pellets over 900 feet per second, producing around 35 to 45 foot-pounds of energy, which is more than enough for rabbits, squirrels, martins, or raccoons within 60 yards. The rotary magazine holds 20 rounds in 22 caliber and 18 in 25 caliber, and the 400 cubic centimeters air tank fills to 3,625 pounds per square inch with a built-in regulator to keep shots consistent. Weighing just 7.2 pounds, it feels well balanced and comfortable, though like all PCP rifles, it requires an external air source such as a pump or tank. Number 6. Hatsan Piledriver Big Bore Air Gun. This PCP bullpup air rifle has a compact layout that makes it easier to handle than you'd expect for something this strong. It delivers over 800 foot-pounds of muzzle energy and around 850 feet per second, making it suitable for large game at longer distances. The air cylinder provides about 5 shots per fill. It also features an adjustable cheek rest and ergonomic design for better comfort and control. Number 5. Alpha Wolf State Day State. The Wright Armory introduced the Safari edition of Day State's Alpha Wolf electronic supergun, and it already looked amazing in the standard stock, but this unique Safari finish makes it look even better. The Safari edition features a practical, high-grip, fully ambidextrous, textured wood stock paired with a strong bronze anodized monocoque frame. It still comes packed with the Alpha Wolf's advanced tech, including a computerized and AVT touchscreen display, a fast swap interchangeable barrel system to match different calibers. Honestly, this is one of those rifles I would absolutely love to own. Number 4. Scout Epoch. This is one of the most advanced PCP air rifles out there right now. It runs on a side lever pre-charged pneumatic system with a 500 cubic centimeters removable carbon fiber bottle filled up to 4,350 pounds per square inch for lots of shots per fill. It has dual adjustable regulators and 3 pressure gauges so you can tune performance on the fly. It also has an integrated moderator for quieter shots, a 2-stage adjustable match trigger, an M-LOK forearm for accessories, plus a fully adjustable stock and cheek piece. Number 3. AEA Zeus Mark II. A serious big bore air rifle that blends raw power with a tactical feel. It's a PCP platform designed to push hefty slugs with authority. You're looking at 357 caliber, 45 caliber, and even 50 calibers depending on what you pick. The Mark II runs on a high pressure air system that gives strong, consistent shots, and the big side lever makes cocking feel smooth. The ergonomic layout with accessory rails lets you gear it up your way. Definitely a rifle that's as fun to shoot as it looks. Number 2. Stuger RX-40. This is a spring-powered underlever air rifle, which means the barrel stays fixed in place for better consistency. The underlever locks securely with a push button catch at the end, keeping everything solid when it's closed. Once dialed in, it runs right around 800 feet per second and holds that speed steadily, producing about 11.3 foot-pounds of energy. With open sights, it includes a red fiber optic front post with a protective hood and green fiber optics on the rear side for quick target pickup. Number 1. Omarex PSG-1. One of the most iconic rifles ever made is brought back with the long-awaited release of the fully licensed gas blowback PSG-1. This version from Omarex stays true to the original, matching the real steel dimensions and markings, and it's the first gas blowback model of its kind. The receivers are made from stamped steel, just like the original firearm, giving it an authentic feel. The handguard and stock are built from high-quality polymer that closely replicates the look of the real PSG-1. Just like the original, it does not include iron sights, but it has a Picatinny rail so you can mount your preferred optic. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today's list of the top air rifles. If you liked the video, go ahead and drop a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads.